This is the binary search. So here I written program algorithm for binary search. You please see this binary search algorithm. So procedures. Okay, this is another type of program. Okay, this is another type of program. Here you are searching element. Okay, you are searching element. So your key element is a name. Here your key element is what? Key element is a name. But in the above example, key element is what? Key element is a number. Here we are searching a name. Means what? It is a character array. So character array. So for character array also you can search. So this is another type of program, binary search. You practice this program also, and it is also very simple. And here I written output, how many names to read, and also I written binary searching technique. So it start with the middle element of the list. So same, whatever now I explained, here also I written same thing. It start with what? It start with the middle element. If the middle element of the element is equal to the input key, means key element, which element you are searching, then it is found. So else if the input key is greater than the middle of the element, then the input key has to be present in the last half of the list. So please read once again. Is it necessary to explain once again? It is not required, na? Is it required to explain binary search once again? Okay, so here I written binary search. Please read this concept. You can understand. So here array. So array name character. So here I have taken the character as a array. Character array. So here to search the name. So in the above example, we search the number. Here we are searching the name, and I have written logic how to search the name. You go through this logic. Idin explain madad badalri, explain madidan already. Hello.
ಬೇಡ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕರಿ, ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಬರ್ತದನಿ, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು.
ಸರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಸೇಮ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಐತ್ರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಚಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಸಾಕು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. So next one is the bubble sort. So bubble sort. So this is the another type of sorting algorithm. So sorting algorithm, it is divided into two types of sorting algorithm. One is the bubble sort, another one is the selection sort. So sorting algorithm is also very simple algorithm. So here you are sorting the element in ascending order, or you are sorting the element in descending order. But by sorting the element in ascending order or descending order, you are using two methods. One method to sort the algorithm in ascending or descending by using the bubble sort, and another method you are using to sort the elements in ascending or descending by using the selection sort. So sorting means nothing but what? You are rearranging the elements in ascending or in descending order. So now you consider, so it is called what? It is called a sorting. So example, let us take one example, 10, 50, 25, 20, 15. You take this example, 10, 50, 25, 20, 15. So here after sorting them in ascending order, so the elements are rearranged as shown below. So we are sorting the elements in ascending order. 10, 15, 20, 25, 50. So after sorting them in descending order, the elements are 50, 25, 20, 15, 10. So the two types of two important and simple sorting techniques are, one is a bubble sort, another one is a selection sort. So please you remember this procedure. You write this one. This is very important for bubble sort. So what is the logic here you are applying? ಇದನ್ನು ಓದ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಬಲ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ನಾಗ. ಬಬಲ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ the two successive items a of I and a of I plus 1 are exchanged whenever a of I is greater than or equal to a of I plus 1. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೀ ಬಬಲ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಇದೇ ಮೇನ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ನಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So this logic you are applying while writing the C program. So when a of I and a of I plus 1 are exchanged, when you will exchange the a of I value and when you will exchange the a of I plus 1 value, only when a of I is greater than or equal to a of I plus 1. Okay, only when a of I is greater than or equal to a of I plus 1. So let us take one example, then you can understand what is the bubble sort. So let us take one example. For example, consider the element shown below: 40, 50, 30, 20, 10. 40, 50, 30, 20, 10. So these are the elements you take and you arrange these elements in ascending order by using the bubble sort technique. Okay, by using the bubble sort technique. So you take first element a of 0, 40, a of 1, 50, a of 2, 30, a of 3, 20, a of 4, 10. Okay, what are the value you have stored? A of 0 memory location 40 store madiri, a of 1 memory location 50 store madiri, a of 2 memory location 30 store madiri, a of 3 memory location 20 store madiri, a of 4 memory location alli 10 store madiri. So this is your given array. Okay, so when you will exchange the data, when you will exchange the element, only when, example, a of I and a of I plus 1, a of I is greater than or equal to a of I plus 1. If a of I is greater than, so let us take one example, a of I. So I value initially, this one you consider as 0, this one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you consider it as a I value. Okay, you consider it as a I. So a of I, first one is first element, a of 0, I you replace as a 0, a of 0 is greater than, okay, a of 0 is greater than or equal to a of I plus 1. A of I plus 1, a of I value is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So a of 0 is greater than or equal to a of 1. A of 0 is greater than or equal to a of 1. You check it. A of 0, 40 is greater than or equal to a of 1, 50. So 40 is greater than or equal to 50. No. 40 is less than 50. Then no need to exchange. Only you exchange when a of I is greater than or equal to a of I plus 1. Okay, now you check here. So 40, 50, 30, 20, 10. So a of 0, first you check 40 with 50. So 40 with 50 you check. So it is not a true. So again in the first iteration, iteration you write it as usual: 40, 50, 30, 20, 10. Okay, next you check a of 1 with the a of 2, 50 with 30. 50 is greater than 30. Yes. Okay, 50 is greater than 30. Then you exchange the element. So now here I exchange the element 40. So I exchange element 30. to the position of A1 and 50 to the position of A of 2. So 40, 30, 50, 20, 10. Okay, next again you check 50 with the 20. So 50 is greater than 20. Yes, again you exchange the element 40, 30, 20, 50, 10. Next again you check the last element 50 with the 10. Yes, it is a true. So next 40, 30, 20, 10, 50. This is the first pass. So 50 sinks to bottom after pass 1. Andra bubble sort andre so the name itself saying bubble ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಕವ್ರಿ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವು. ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರ್ಕಂತ ಹೋಗತಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೇಮ್ ನ ಬಬಲ್ ಸಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಬಬಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹ್ಯಾವಿ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50 ಸಿಂಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ್ರೆ 50 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸಿಂಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ರಿ, ಸೊ 40 30 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 40 ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 30. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 30 40 20 30 40 20 10 50. Okay, next this 40 you check with 20. This 40 you check with 20. Yes, it is a true. Again you need to exchange 30 20 40 10 50. Again you check 40 with 10. Yes, it is a true. Again 30 20 10 40 50. This is the now you sink 40. Now you sink 40 to the bottom after pass 2. So same third pass. So 30 you check with the 20. So 30 you check with the 20. Yes, it is a true. Then you exchange the item 20 30 10 40 50. Okay, next again 30 you check with the smallest element. So yes, it is a true. 20 10 30 40 50. Okay, in the third pass you sink the 30 element. Okay, then final 20 is less than 10, 20 is greater than 10. Yes, okay, it is a true. Again you exchange the element 10 with the 20. So 10 20 30 40 50. So finally what you will get, the element in ascending order. So this is what the method. So in the first pass 40 is compared with 50. Okay, and they are in order, so no exchange has been done. So next 50 is compared with 30 and they are exchanged since 50 is greater than 30. If we proceed in the same manner, at the end of the first pass the largest item occupies the last position on each successive pass. The item with the next largest value will be moved to the bottom and the element are arranged in the ascending order. So observe that after each pass the larger value sink to the bottom. Okay, I already said. So larger value it will sink to the bottom. So that's why it is also called what? That's why it is also called a sinking sort. So note. So observe that the end of the each pass smaller values gradually bubble. Okay, smaller values gradually bubble their way upward to the bottom. So like air bubbles moving to the surface of water. So hence it is called what? Hence it is called the bubble sort. Okay, this is a program. Okay, this one is the program for bubble sort. So this bubble sort program is also there in your lab experiment. Okay, you please see this program and practice this program. Okay, already I explained how to find the or how to identify the or how to frame the elements in ascending order, how to arrange the elements in ascending order. So this is the program for ascending the element arranging the elements in ascending order by using the bubble sort technique. Hash include stdio.h conio.h main, then local declaration int I comma j comma n comma a of 10, So printf, enter the size of the array, scanf %d. So here you have to enter the array, enter the elements of array. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus scanf %d and a of I. Next you enter for j is equal to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus. For I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So if a of I is greater than or equal to a of I plus 1, then you assign the value of a of I to the temporary variable temp is equal to a of I, and you assign the value of I plus 1, a of I plus 1 to the variable a of I. Then you assign the value of temp into the a of I plus 1 variable. Temp is equal to a of I is equal to a of I plus 1, a of I plus 1 is equal to temp. Then print the sorted elements are for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, printf %d. Okay, here I have taken two iterative statements.